What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back as always. As a tech review channel, I have a lot of electronics in my home to plug in. I'm always searching for more extension cords and more power strips. And today I've got a product that fits perfectly with those needs. This is the GaN 73 watt fast charging power strip from the brand Innfact. I never thought I'd do a review of a power strip, but this one is pretty smart. It's got super fast charging capabilities. It's got a great form factor, USB, USB-C, regular AC plugs, kind of a mixture of everything, perfect for the tech-minded person like myself. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this, show you what it looks like, talk about a few of the important features, and then let you know whether or not I think it's worth picking one up for yourself. Now, before we dive into things, if you're not already, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment. All of those things help me to keep bringing you new content each and every week. But enough about that. Let's take a look at this GaN 73 watt power strip. Let's talk about a few specs right off the bat. There's some important ones listed here on the back, and then we'll dive into the unboxing. Like I mentioned, this has 3 AC plugs, 1 regular USB, and then 2 USB-C ports for your fast charging devices. This is 73 watts, like I mentioned, and I'm gonna show you on the box here that based on how you configure the things that you plug in, you have different levels, different wattages available. For example, if you're just using the farthest USB-C at the very end, you get 65 watts of power at once. So if your device can support that, it's gonna charge super fast. If you just use the other USB-C C2, you get 18 watts, so kind of a little more toned down for the devices that can't handle 65. The regular USB has a 10 watt output. You can use both of the USB-Cs at once for 18 plus 45 watts, and then you can use the USB-A and the USB-C for 10 and 18, or you can use all three for a USB-A of 10 watts, USB-C of 18, and USB-C of 45. So depending on the configuration, how fast you need to charge your devices, you can plug in and out different things to get the maximum wattage available. Otherwise, spec-wise, this weighs, 440 grams. It's got a 6.5 foot long cord, so some good length there. And then, like I mentioned, overall wattage is 73. Now, it's worth noting that this is not a surge protector as far as I can tell. It does say it has thermal protection and overload protection, but this is not going to protect sensitive electronics from surges, so keep that in mind. Let's crack it open here. I love the packaging. I love this kind of frosted plastic here, and then some cool colors on the inside. Now, when I originally unboxed this the first time, the design of this is very modern and sleek, and it feels really good in the hand. It is plastic, although pretty, robust plastic. And then our cable right here, like I said, 6.5 feet, which I love to see, along with the flat wall plug. So this is not going to stick out a ton if you're going to put this behind a bookcase or a desk. It will sit flush with the wall, and then it just kind of comes off at an angle so that it won't interfere with your other plugs. Great forward-thinking design. Love to see it. They do have a Velcro on the cord portion right there. And really, it's a power strip. There's not that much to it. I will say, I'll overlay some up-close shots so you can kind of see this a little more in depth. Apart from the design, obviously, we just care about the functionality. And I have to say that it lives up to the stated claims on the box. Plugging my iPhone into one of the USB-Cs charges it from empty, all the way up to 50% in less than an hour, very, very quick, all the way to full in a couple of hours. Laptop, again, on the AC, very, very fast. So when it comes down to it, I think you're buying a product like this, one, for the design, which looks really great, and then two, for the different array of plug-in options and the ability to speed charge multiple devices. There are plenty of fast chargers available with like a single USB for one device, but to get multiple options on a single power strip, if you have a small office, one desk, this could power everything. I have a ton of crap in my office here on every side of the room, but for a simple one desk setup, this is going to be great. Obviously, I would have loved to see surge protection on a device like this. It ticks every other box. It's so close to perfection. If we could add some level of surge protection in there, I think it would be flawless. As it is though, it's still a good value, and if you don't have any sort of power strip in your room and you're running low on outlets, this is a great option. So I'll include a link down in the description. You can go check it out there, buy one if you'd like. If not, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, ring the notification bell, like the video. All those help me keep bringing you videos each and every week. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.